Over the years, the Land Cruiser nameplate has done Toyota proud, earning a renowned reputation for its dependability, off-road competence, and enduring presence in a variety of international markets. 3 different Land Cruiser models are now being produced. The 300 series, the slightly smaller Prado, which will shortly be replaced by the 250 series, which will arrive in North America, and the iconic 7D series. Toyota is still very much committed to the Land Cruiser line though. When Toyota unveiled the Land Cruiser 250 earlier this year, they hinted to a smaller, off-road focused car in addition to the 7-seater Land Cruiser SE electrified concept that will make its debut at Japan Mobility 2023. As of late next year, this fresh offering might be available on the market, according to the most recent rumors. A number of aspects, including the name, still need to be clarified. Following Toyota's trademark acquisition, there were speculations that it would be dubbed the Land Hopper. However, it has since been made public that this name will actually be used for a concept electric bike with 3 wheels. Possible future names for Toyota's vehicles include FC Cruiser or a return to the classic FJ Cruiser name. The compact cruiser moniker, which was formerly associated with the EV idea, might also be used. If Toyota decides to go with the alphanumeric designations, it may call the larger model the Land Cruiser 300 series, the 250 series for the Prado successor, and the 50 or 60 series for the compact variant, among other options. Whatever the name, this new model looks to be inspired by the Land Cruiser's off-road skills, albeit with a smaller base akin to that of the Ford Bronco Sport, which is expected to be among its main rivals. Toyota unveiled a teaser image for the 2024 Land Cruiser 250 that revealed a hint of the concept's compact cruiser EV. Presumably, the idea and the newly revealed 2024 Land Cruiser's design cues will be combined in the production vehicle. The outcome of this combination should be a car that looks a lot like boxy style, tough bumpers, and body cladding. Now that we're focused on the insides, Japan's Best Car revealed that it will be available with both hybrid and internal combustion-only powertrains, citing reliable sources. Likewise, there has been debate regarding the potential for a later introduction of a fully electric version BEV. There is potential for more conjecture because the exact powertrain options for the SUV have not been formally revealed. Toyota has access to a wide range of engines. For increased power, it may use those from the Corolla Cross, the bigger RAV4, or the Prius. The latter is offered in North America with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder hybrid gasoline engine that produces 194 horsepower. It also comes with a plug-in hybrid version that produces 220 horsepower, both of which could be good options. All-wheel drive will be standard on the entire range, regardless of the powertrain. According to sources close to Best Car, the upcoming model will be the same width as the Toyota Corolla Cross, roughly 71 inches, 1,800 millimeters, outside the engine bay. But at 73 inches, 1,850 millimeters, it will be 8 inches, 204 millimeters, taller than the Corolla Cross. Its length is reported to be approximately 177 inches, 4,500 millimeters. All things considered, its footprint ought to be similar to that of the Ford Bronco Sport, 173 length, 74 width, 70 to 71 height. That implies that even though the new car will be smaller than the Land Cruiser, it will still be able to overcome obstacles and have true off-road potentials. This baby Land Cruiser is expected to be much more affordable than the 2024 Land Cruiser, which starts at about $55,000 in the United States, in addition to being smaller in size. We think it's more realistic to anticipate a starting price ranging from $30,000 to $35,000 in North America, despite the initial reports that it would start at roughly 3.0 to 3.8 million yen in Japan, which is equivalent to $20,000 to $25,000 at current currency rates. The new compact model will, of course, be accessible everywhere, while regional variations may exist in the available powertrain options. However, we will have to wait for more information on the next compact Land Cruiser edition to become available. There's a chance we'll get to see a conceptual version in the next months if the rumors that Toyota plans to release a production version by the end of 2024 are true. Meanwhile, a lot of automakers are generating interest at the Japan Mobility Show by exhibiting their newest designs and automobiles. Renowned Japanese car maker Toyota has now completely unveiled the FT3 and FTSE concepts to the public at the Auto Exhibition in Japan, following the release of teasers of the concepts last week. The Toyota FTSE is a sports car, whereas the FT3 is a crossover SUV. There are some components that are said to be shared by the two electric designs. However, it is unclear how these components are exactly put together. The two-seater electric sports car, the FTSE, has a muscular front face and a sloping roof line, while the Toyota FT3 SUV has angular lines, flared wheel arches, and a slanted windscreen that demonstrate a tough and futuristic look. Now that these two concepts have at last been made public, let's examine their salient internal and external design elements. The next-generation electric vehicle, which will offer customized services powered by cutting-edge technologies, is what the automaker sees as the new Toyota FT3. Although we don't yet know the FT3e's technical specifications, the concept has some amazing futuristic features. For instance, the driver and passengers may see the interior temperature, air quality, and battery charge level on the external side screens in the doors. The concept's overall dimensions are strikingly similar to the BZ4X, especially its low profile and wheels placed in the corners. It looks crisp and unique because of the narrow light bars that cross the front and back. Its remarkable appearance is further enhanced by the pronounced wrinkles on the front end. Its rear roof line slopes sharply, just like the BZ4X's, and it features a two-piece rear spoiler. The FT3e concept's interior has a modern feel with its 7 screens. Included numerous screens, such as the vertically stacked displays on either side of the steering wheel, the digital instrument dashboard, and the infotainment system. In addition, the IRVM has been replaced by a screen, with 2 screens situated at the base of the A-pillar. Capacitive touch displays or keys serve as the primary control mechanism, with minimal switch gear. Likewise, the FTSE is a high-performance battery electric concept car that was reportedly developed with help from Toyota's motorsports branch, Gazoo Racing, GR. This brings us to the subject of electric sports cars. The concept automobile is a sports car with an orange paint job, black roof, and a silhouette resembling a normal mid-engine sports car. Blacked-out grille, massive air intakes, and LED daytime running lights that reach the base of the fascia vertically are some of the striking exterior features. The concept's sporty look is further accentuated with rocker panels, short wing mirrors, flush door handles, a set of wheels perched atop red brake calipers, and other details. Interior design of the FTSE concept includes a yoke steering wheel with 2 portrait screens on either side showcasing important infotainment and other capabilities. Digital instrument cluster and Recaro bucket seats made of carbon fiber are also included. In addition, Toyota unveiled the Toyota Space Mobility concept, a 2-seater electric vehicle designed for use as a mode of transportation on extraterrestrial surfaces. With an electric motor at each wheel and a visible roll cage, the idea resembles a 2-seater off-road quadricycle. With 4-wheel steering, the Space Mobility concept is said to be able to maneuver over obstacles as big as 50 centimeters. According to Toyota, it can also ascend hills up to 25 degrees. The car was deliberately built to be small. Its dimensions are 1,865 mm in height, 2,175 mm in width, and 3,460 mm in length, just slightly longer than a kei car. The Space Mobility is not merely a showpiece, in contrast to traditional car prototypes. According to Toyota, it is a prototype meant for in-person testing. The insights gathered from these experiments will help construct additional spacecraft, such as the Lunar Cruiser, intended for extraterrestrial travel. These technological advancements are designed precisely to flourish in the harsh environment of space travel. And that's all that was unveiled at the 2023 Japan Mobility Show by Toyota. Share your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.